What's the meaning of confines? Confines. Confines.
Confines. Confines. The word confines refers to the boundaries or limits of a particular space or area. It can refer to physical, geographical, or conceptual limits and is often used to describe a restricted or constricted space. The confines of a prison, for example, refer to the physical boundaries that restrict the movement of inmates. In a more abstract sense, the confines of a job or situation might describe the limitations on one's ability to act or make decisions. Overall, confines denotes a defined and limited space or situation.